Everyone has a moment when they feel like the main character of their own life. A moment when you believe everything will go your way, and the world is lying at your feet.
Ha! Some princes I am. I'm lower than the pigs.
But have you ever had the lights go out before the ending credits even rolled? This is the story of a man who hit the absolute bottom.
Perfect. It's suffocating. Even a grape can't fall to the ground here without Father's permission. I can't wait any longer. My life is out there, beyond that fence.
Is the prince playing map games again? The workers have been breaking their backs since dawn. Must be nice to be you.
It's not a game, Marcus. This is my plan.
Look at these trees standing in a line. Not a single leaf dares to cross the design. Every day the same sun rises high. Every day the same wind passes by. I am not a tree meant to stay in one spot. I won't put down roots just to wither and rot.
Wake up, Julian. You're a hothouse flower.
Look at your hands, so soft and so right. You've never known the weight of a worker's pride. Beyond that fence, there is no romance. The wind is a blade. You don't stand a chance. Safe in the walls that Father has made. Just eat your bread and be glad you stayed. I'm breaking free, I'll find my own name. You'll crash and burn and drown in your shame. To the lights on the horizon I will fly. It's a swamp out there, you're running to die. It'll shatter this golden cage and be gone. You won't last the day, you won't see the dawn. Two brothers worlds apart.
Are you happy being tied to these grapevines for the rest of your life, Marcus? Because I'm not. I want to live not as Elian's son, but as Julian.
As is Julian? Ha! Take one step out of Father's shadow. You think the world is like this courtyard where everyone indulges your whims? I guarantee you, you will come crawling back on your knees.
Just watch. I'll succeed and come back in style. Then even you will have to admit I was right.
Fool!
Father, I won't beat around the bush anymore. Give me my share of the inheritance now.
Julian, are you insane? Father is alive and well, and you ask for your inheritance? That's practically wishing him dead.
I'm not cursing you. I want my independence. Think of it as an investment. I don't want to grow old and die here, playing the role of the good second son forever. You know my talents, Father. I'll go out there and prove it. I'll multiply it tenfold.
Julian, the world is much colder than the map you drew. It's freezing out there. People will love what you have, not who you are.
Don't treat me like a child. I know how the world works.
Yes, if I keep you here by force, your body may be present, but your heart has already left. What meaning is there in keeping a son who is only a shell?
Father, you aren't seriously going to give it to him? He'll just gamble it away and drink himself to death.
Julian, promise me one thing. Whether you return in success or in failure, never forget that your place is always here.
Let's go. to the brightest, highest place. My real life starts now. Goodbye, boring life.
Fool, let's see if we open the door when you come crawling back in tears. Because I certainly won't.
Just, please stay alive, my son.
Hail to the leader! Let the music play! This night is ours.
Oh, I smell something. Fresh. And expensive. Are you from the countryside, Prince?
I'm no prince, but I'm rich enough to buy this city. Where is the best spot in town?
There is no best spot. Wherever you spend your money becomes the center of the world. Follow me. I'll make sure your name is plastered on every billboard in the city.
Boring vines, the smell of dirt, I'm done with that. Father said save for the future, don't be a brat. But look at these lights, look at this shine. The old man doesn't know he's wasting his time. Pour it up, drink it down like it's the last night. Open your wallet and we're brothers in the light. Today is forever. Throw your worries away. You are our son, you are our God, King Julian. Yeah, I buy my friends, I buy my love, I buy the laughter too. I don't need a receipt, just put it on my tab. Will you? Will call me a failure? Who said I'd fall? Look at the king of the city standing tall. Blast it, live it, like this night will never end. Forget about home, this is heaven, my friend. Today is forever.
Sir, insufficient funds.
What? That can't be. Leo, hey Leo, you handle this. I'll wire you the money tomorrow.
Who are you?
Don't joke around. You said we were brothers yesterday. Think of how much we drank together.
Listen, farm boy, in this city, we're only brothers when we split the bill. You bought the applause with cash, and now the show is over. Drag this beggar out. Don't you manage the water quality here?
You want to carry bricks with those hands. Don't act tough, rich boy. Go home to mommy.
Home? Go home? If I could, I would have gone already. How can I go back? I drove a nail straight into Father's heart. It's better to just die here. Sir, please just give me some work. I only need food.
Food? We barely have enough feed for the pigs, let alone people.
I'll do anything, please.
Fine, go into that pen and clean the shit. And remember, these pigs are worth more than you. If even one hair on a pig is damaged, it's your head.
Today is forever. The song that said there's no tomorrow now curses me in deep sorrow. O King, my King, your kingdom is just this filthy sty.
Today is forever. The song that said there's no tomorrow now curses me in deep sorrow. O King, my King, your kingdom is just this filthy sty. Oh, Father, in my Father's house, even the hired hands have bread to spare. Even the dogs there eat better than I do. But here I am, starving to death in this filth. I was crazy. I was blind. Freedom, happiness. It was all inside that fence. Get up. I can't die here. I will go and say it. I don't care if I'm not a son anymore. Father, I have sinned against heaven and against you. I am no longer worthy to be called your son. Make me like one of your hired servants.
When I unfolded the map, I thought the world was mine. Believed every step I took was a grand design. But looking at my hands, what is left today? Just broken pride and the rain washing me away. A stranger in the mirror asks me now, was this mud the freedom you made a vow? Only after the blinding lights are gone can I see a warm glow of home drawing me on. Can I go back? I've strayed so far, so wide. I've lost the right to stand by your side. But I must go with this compass cracked and worn, even to be a servant battered and torn, just for one day to feel the warmth of that table once more. Let them laugh, let them stare. Kneeling down is a cross I can bear, for my failure is not the end of me. I am going home with a heart torn apart, not as a son, but with a debtor's heart. But I remember love was waiting there, back to where I started, to my father's garden
Father, don't come near me. I am no longer your son. Just use me as one of your hired work.
What are you doing? Bring the best robe and put it on him. Put a ring on his finger and sandals on his feet.
Father, did you not hear me? I blew it all. I lost everything.
I have found my life that was lost. What does money matter? Let's go. We must hold a feast.
We often mistakenly believe we must succeed to be worthy of love. We think we need to achieve, make money, or be respectable to go back home. But true love is someone running barefoot to embrace you when you are at your most wretched. This 2,000-year-old story asks you today, where is the home of your heart you need to return to? The door is open.